There's the A10 Warthog all put together. This thing is just sick. 2 turbine motors. Warthog's all ready to go up. Oh my God, smell that jet fuel.
That's good. A lot of places people wouldn't find them. Look at that.
Oh, 10 Warthog, another big pass. Definitely ain't scared to fly that thing. That's one big barrel roll. Oh my God, he's like 2,000 feet. He is way up there. Looks like he's going for slow and low. This pilot is nuts. And there's like 3,000 feet. It's like nothing. He's inverted right now. Big loop. God, he's like 5 feet off the ground. Alright, here's the A10 probably coming in for a landing. Sketchy. Beautiful. Yeah! That thing. Spec-fucking-tacular. That's the A10 Warthog. Alright YouTube, you're looking at David Shulman. You just saw him do that awesome A10 flight. If you want to get a hold of him, have him teach you how to fly your jet, you can get a hold of him at?
My website is daveshulman.com.
It's SHULMAN. And I travel around the world. I teach people how to fly. I do test flights on different airplanes, UAVs and things like that. And I've kind of been all over the world. I've been to the Middle East, Europe, all over the Caribbean, South America, and all across the States.
Alrighty, man. Well, thanks a lot for your time, man. I just had to say, what a great flight. What an awesome flight. Thank you much. Dude, I wouldn't want to be behind the controls. Actually, I would be. Oh! Oh no!